Hey everyone, welcome back to Terra Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about orange marigolds, which are celebrated for their bright, cheerful orange blooms that symbolize warmth, positivity, and creativity. Known as the herb of the sun, marigolds have been valued for centuries for their beauty, medicinal uses, and cultural significance, especially in festivals like the Day of the Dead. Marigolds are native to the Americas, primarily Mexico and Central America, where they were used by the Aztecs in ceremonies, medicine, and as a natural dye. When Spanish explorers brought the seeds back to Europe in the 16th century, marigolds quickly gained popularity for their vibrant color and hardiness, spreading across Europe, Asia, and Africa. Today, there are many species and hybrids, but orange marigolds, especially in the French varieties, remain iconic. In India, marigolds are woven into garlands for temples and weddings, symbolizing purity and devotion. Orange marigolds are annual flowering plants that vary in size depending on the species. French marigolds grow between 6 and 12 inches tall. Plants produce dense, bushy foliage with fern-like leaves and upright stems, topped with brilliant, round blooms in shades of orange, yellow, and red. The flowers are full and fluffy, with tightly packed petals that form a pom-pom or carnation-like appearance. Blooming from spring through frost, these sun-loving plants produce a steady display of vibrant flowers that brighten garden beds, borders, and containers. Their strong, citrusy scent acts as a natural pest deterrent, making them both beautiful and functional. Orange marigolds are easy to grow and thrive in full sun, well-draining soil with neutral to slightly acidic pH. Though they tolerate poor soil, amending it with compost can improve bloom production. Moderate watering is needed, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings to prevent overwatering. Marigolds prefer warm conditions and thrive in temperatures between 70 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. They are sensitive to frost and should be planted after the last frost date. Sow seeds directly outdoors after the last frost or start indoors 4 to 6 weeks before planting. Deadheading spent blooms encourages continuous flowering. Marigolds are a gardener's best friend, often referred to as a workhorse plant in vegetable gardens. Their natural pest-repelling properties make them an excellent companion for many crops. They release a chemical which deters nematodes, aphids, and other harmful insects. Good companions for marigolds include tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, squash, and beans. In flower gardens, marigolds pair beautifully with zinnias, sunflowers, petunias, and salvia, creating a vibrant display that attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. While primarily grown for ornamental purposes, orange marigolds also have historical and practical uses. Marigold flowers are used to make natural dyes for textiles and food coloring. Marigolds contain anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. Infusions made from their petals have been used to treat wounds, rashes, and sore eyes. The petals are edible and can be used as garnish for salads, soups, or rice dishes, imparting a mild, citrusy flavor. Orange marigolds are a classic, versatile choice for gardens and landscapes. Their bold color and ease of care and ability to deter pests make them indispensable for gardeners of all skill levels. Whether planted in rows along a vegetable garden, tucked into containers, or displayed in a vibrant flower bed, marigolds add warmth, life, and functionality to outdoor spaces. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and/or subscribe for more plant profiles. Happy gardening.